नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लास है यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोग को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर फर्स्ट द लास्ट चाइल्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। व्हाट आर द थिंग्स आर चाइल्ड सेस ऑन दिस वाई टू द फेयर, वाई डज ही लैग बिहाइंड। आंसर नंबर 1, द चाइल्ड सी ए नंबर ऑफ interesting things on his way to the fair. Firstly, he saw Tolly lined up at a shop. Then he saw a flowering mustard red field which seemed like gold in the field. The child also saw colorful dragon flies, butterflies fluttering their wings, sucking nectar. Then while walking on the footpath, he saw the insect and worm crawling. When he entered the grove, he could hear and see doves cooing. As he neared the village, he saw a whole crowd going to the fair. The child also came across sweet meat seller selling sweet like barfi and gulab jamun, and a flower seller who was selling a garland of gulmohar. Further ahead, he saw a man selling rainbow color balloons. He also saw a snake charmer who stood playing a flute to a snake. Finally, before losing track of his present, he saw a roundabout swing. The child, after keep lagging behind his parents on the way, and his mother and father have to constantly call him so that he does not lag behind that behind. This is because the child is lured by all the things he sees on his way. Sometimes he stops to buy toys, and at other times he stops to admire the beautiful of the nature, collecting flowers, catching butterflies. Question number second. In the fair, he want many things. What are they? What does he move on without waiting for an answer? Answer number second. The child many things in fair. They are toys and balloons, sweet like barfi from the sweet meat seller, garland and gulmohar flower. Attracted by the snake charmer, play flute to a snake a right in the round would swing. The boy moved on without waiting for an answer because he knew that his parents would not fulfill his request and would be denied at each stop. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his why? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Answer. He stopped at the round about and want to swing on a ride. He observe is swinging with men, women, and children enjoying themselves on it, and suddenly he realizes that he has lost his wife. Watching keenly, he turned to his parents to ask for permission to go on the round, but there was no reply from them, and that is when he realized that they were not there. He looked all around, but there was no sign of them. They rolled down from his ears and started running in all directions looking for his parents. His yellow turban was untailed and his clothes because until his was screaming and was scared by the looks of the happily man around. Question number 4. Why does the lost child lose inter- interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Answer number 4. The lost child loses interest in all the things that he had wanted earlier because he was frightened on being separated from his parents. His in the crowds, his aim was to find and be with them. All the things that fascinated him in the fair no longer attract to him, and now the only things that matter is finding his parents. Question number 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Answer number 5. The ending of the story is open for us to decide at the end. The parents who continuously make sure that he was with them right from the beginning of their journey. Many have suddenly realized that he was missing and come looking for the lost child. The helpful man who tried to console the little boy by offering him various things at the fair. Many have also asked him for the description of his parents and helped him to be reunited with them at the fair reception. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.